Find the equation of the line that is both perpendicular to and bisects the line segment containing the points 3, 4 and -1, 2. Now let us begin. So here we will start by considering 2 points. Let's say the points are A with coordinates 3, 4 and point B with the coordinates -1, 2. Let's join the 2 points with the help of a straight line. Now we're going to consider another line which is going to bisect the line segment AB and also with the condition that it's perpendicular to AB. So let's say we have the line CD. It is perpendicular to AB and also bisects it at the point E. Or we can say in other words that E is the midpoint of A and B. Now our goal will be to determine the equation of CD. So here we'll be using the point slope form, which is given by y minus y1 equals to the slope m times x minus x1 to determine the equation of the line. So here m will be the slope of that particular line and the line is going to pass through a point with the coordinates x1, y1. So that means in order to find out the equation of the line CD, we need to find out its slope as well as we need to find out one point that lies on the line CD. So what we'll do, we will try to find out the coordinate of point E since E lies on the point CD. E is also the midpoint of AB. So that means the coordinate of our midpoint E, so that is going to be, so let's say we're going to denote it by x1, y1. So this will be equals to, so we'll start with the x coordinate. All we have to do is sum up the x coordinates of the two points A and B. So that's 3 added to -1 and we're going to divide it by 2. And then we're going to sum up the y coordinates of each of the 2 points. We have 4 added to 2 and we're going to divide it by 2. So that's going to be equals to, so 3 minus 1, that's 2. 2 divided by 2, that's going to be 1. Then we have 4 plus 2, that's 6. 6 divided by 2 is 3. So that means coordinate of point E is 1, 3. Now that we have the point E, our next goal will be to determine the slope of CD. But first, let us find out the slope of the line AB. Now slope of the line AB, we're going to denote it by the letter M1. This will be equals to, we'll have to take a ratio. In the numerator, we need is the difference of the y coordinate and in the denominator, we need the difference of the x coordinate. So here y2, so if we suppose that A corresponds to x2, x1, y1 and B corresponds to x2, y2, then y2 minus y1 will be 2 minus 4 and x2 minus x1 will be -1 minus 3. So that means we have -2 over -4. Or we can say the slope of the line AB will be 1/2. Now, we'll suppose that the slope of the line CD be denoted by the letter M2. Now, we'll be using the fact that the product of the slope of the two lines, that means the product of M1 and M2, that should be equals to -1 because the two lines are perpendicular to each other. This is by definition. Because we have the value of M1, which is half, so we have half multiplied to M2, that will be equals to -1. This implies that M2 corresponds to -2, which means that the slope of line CD, that's going to be -2 and CD passes through the point 1, 3. So now we are ready to find out its equation using the point slope form. So now, hence we can say y minus y1, so here y1 corresponds to the point 3. Equals to the slope, which is -2. This will be multiplied to x minus x1. So here x1 is +1. Fine. So this will be equals to y minus 3 equals to -2x plus 2, which means we have 2x plus y equals to +5. So this is going to be the required equation of the line.